YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you're watching this, what's up, I'm back again with another 2007 Pontiac G6. I love these cars. These are great cars. They run and drive excellent. Almost every one that I've had was superb. This is another superb one added to the list. It's a nice sporty looking sedan. They got the sunroof. We got a little dinghy right there. We just covered it up with some tape. No big deal. Bumpers and stuff is cheap, but I wouldn't even bother. And here's the front. Those headlights could be deoxidized and have them looking like a brand new. If you understand what I'm saying. Then we got this angle right here. This angle it looks real nice. It's a nice looking car. We got the brakes and tires, all nice looking, everything fresh. You can stop on a dime. You can go racing on the Jackie Robinson if you want to. Long Island, LIE. I'm not condoning speeding, but if no one's looking, hey. Let me stop. It's all jokes. All jokes. I'm gonna take y'all into the backside real quick. It's a nice, just a nice little clean new car, man. I'm gonna give y'all this view right here. You see the brakes, the rotors on the tires. The tires is fresh, brand new. You know what I'm saying? Pretty, yes. These are fresh. I'm sticking my whole finger in there. Not that you should do that, but all right. Here's the inside. The seats. I don't know what kind of seats they are, but they're not leather. I don't know if this is cloth or whatever kind of material that is. Who knows? I don't. But yeah, man. This is the front. The dash is clean. This is the radio center console and everything. Steering wheel is nice and sporty. You got the grips on the top. You got the little, I don't know if, yeah, you got the wood grain on the buttons on the door. My car language has to get way better. I'm disgusting at talking about cars. You got the sunroof right here, fully functional. I call this bad boy the Prindle. Got the wood grain on the Prindle. Wood grain on the Prindle. Alright, let me take y'all to the front, man. I'm not gonna make this too long. I'm not gonna keep that with me too long. If you're interested, call me 631-206-5566. Follow me on all platforms. I will be having more cars coming soon. Hope y'all listening to these videos, and I'm not just talking and talking. That would be very disturbing on my end. All right. Oh, nice, sporty, black, all black, clean. I know it's clean because I cleaned it. Duh. Yeah, let me bring that back over here real quick. Hit y'all with some aerials. 108,000 miles on this bad boy. You can't beat that. It's fresh. It starts right up too. It starts right up. I'll smoke them in that. That Ultimate, we'll smoke them in this. We will for sure smoke it. Without a doubt. Inside, nice and sporty, all the gauges and everything. I don't know why people be sleeping on this car. This car looks, I mean, that's cool, but this is the same thing pretty much. Look at this, and look at that, and look at this, and look at that. This actually kind of look a little bit better. IMO, in my opinion. Let me give y'all this on the other side. We gotta be fair. When we do on the left side, we gotta do on the right side, right? See how thing. Oh, he turned it up. Why would you do that? You're trying to get me sued. I hope that's his man song too. That's what I do. Now I'm trying to record a video. Oh yeah, let me just put my music on. Fuck his video. Yeah, I mean, he may not know what I'm doing. It is what it is. It is what it is. Can't trick these people down. Got shot at. Races and everywhere. What can we do? This car is for sale. I'm selling it for $3,000. G6, V6. If you're interested, check out my Instagram, my YouTube, and contact me, DM me. What you gotta do, like, subscribe, man. Help me out, support, please.